Welcome all of you to Educare Biology. Today I will discuss about the connective tissue. First, what is connective? The discussed topics are as follows. What is connective tissue? Origin of connective tissue, location of connective tissue, general characters, structures, general functions and types. These are the topics which I will discuss today. First of all, what is connective tissue? Connective tissue may be defined as the tissue which binds or connects the different tissues or organs of a body. Is called connective tissue. As for example, it connects skin to skin with muscle. It connects to bones. That is joints of bones. Next, it connects bone with muscles. So, it connects different types of organs. So, it is called connective tissue. First of all, what is connective tissue? Next, origin. Origin of connective tissue. Origin. Embryonic mesoderm. From embryonic mesoderm, connective tissue is produced. Embryonic mesoderm. Next, location. Where it locates? Connective tissue locates around the organ, in between the organ, that is in between spaces of organ, in between two tissues, in between different organs of the body. It covers the different organs of the body. It fills the spaces in between two tissues. It may be called as the packing tissue. It performs as cushion of the body, cushion around the organ, covering, binding, supporting, and cushion-like structure. It performs different functions. It consists as blood. It forms the blood. It forms the lymph. It forms the cartilage. It forms the bone. It forms the nervous tissue within the neuron, within the muscle cell. It may be found. It may be called. It spreads throughout the body, throughout the human body. Most abundant tissue. This type of tissue is most abundant within the body or within the human body. These are the locations of this tissue. Next, general characters. General characters. At number 1, it is mesodermal origin. Mesodermal origin. Number 2, it fills the spaces between tissues. It fills the spaces between the tissues. Number 3, it may be called as the supporting tissue. Supporting tissue. Supporting tissue. Number 4, it is composed of 3 components. That is 3 components. That is matrix. Next, cells. Next, fibers. In this tissue, matrix is abundant, cells are scanty. Number 4, matrix, TRIX, MATRIX, matrix abundant, procurable. Cells are scanty, a small quantity of cells present. Next, number 6, matrix is transparent, amorphous, gelatinous, or liquid or solid. 3 types of matrix may be found. Matrix gelatinous, or solid or liquid. Matrix is much more than the cell. Matrix is much more than the cells. Number 8, cells may be different types. That is fibroblast, macrophage, mast cell, and immunocytes. That is lymphocyte and plasma cells. That will be also found RBC and WBC. Cells are scattered within the matrix. Fibers are 3 types. Collagen fibers or white fibers. Next, yellow fibers or elastic fibers. And reticular fibers. Different types of matrix and nature of matrix are different. So, different types of function are performed by the connective tissue. These are the general characters of connective tissue. Next, I will discuss about the structure of connective tissue. Structure of connective tissue. Connective tissue is composed of matrix, cells, and fibers. Matrix is amorphous, gelatinous, solid, or liquid form. It is composed of glycosaminoglycan, chemical substance glycosaminoglycan. This matrix is much more than the cells. General structure. Next, cells are different type, that is fibroblasts, macrophage, mast cell, aminocytes, fat cells, immunocytes, that is leukocytes, lymphocytes, next plasma cells, then we found WBC, RBC, etc. Next, fibers. 3 types of fibers, that is white fibers, that is collagen fibers, that is yellow fibers, which may be called as the elastic fiber. Next, reticular fiber, white fibers made of collagen protein, yellow fiber made of elastin protein, reticular fiber made of reticulin protein. These are the general structure of connective tissue. Next, general functions of connective tissue. Functions of connective tissue. Functions. Number 1, packing. It forms the packing material within the different tissues, but filler materials. It forms the filler materials. Filler materials within the different tissues or organ. This is called packing materials. Number 2, covering. It covers different organs of the body. That is heart, kidney, there are several types of organs this tissue covers. Number 3, covering of different organs. Number 3, cushion. It forms cushion-like structure around the different organs, even around the delicate organ. Is act shock absorber. Shock absorber. Number 4, binding. It binds different organs. That is skin to muscle, bone to bone, bone to muscle. There are several types of organs are binding by this tissue. Number 5, binding at all. Repair. It provides materials to repair the injuries. Repairing of injuries. Binding of different organs. Next, number 6, defense. The cells, that is the macrophage cells and plasma cells, performs the defensive function of our bodies. Especially the macrophage cell provides the defense mechanism of our body. Next, number 7, storage. Fat cells, adipose tissue of fat cells store fat in our body. Next, storage. Number 8, support. Bone and cartilage perform the supporting function of our body. Number 9, blood cells. Blood cells are produced in the marrow of bone, which is a connective tissue. Number 10, transport. Blood and lymph, which are connective tissue, transport different materials in the body. These are 10 functions of connective tissue. Next, types of connective. Types of connective tissue. According to the nature of matrix, connective tissue are 3 types. Number 1, connective tissue proper. Matrix jelly-like. Next, skeletal tissues. Matrix solid. Next, vascular tissue. Matrix liquid. Connective tissue proper is divided first areolar tissue. But loose connective tissue. Loose dense connective tissue. These are divided into ligament and tendon. Next, special. It is called adipose tissue. Skeletal tissue is divided into bones and cartilage. Vascular tissue may be divided into blood and lymph. These are the general discussion about connective tissue. Next, I will discuss about various types of connective tissue later. Thank you all.